This little guy looks innocent, but it could take over a computer in seconds. I built my own USB Rubber Ducky with a $15 Raspberry Pi Zero, and let me show you what it can do. So if you've never heard of a Rubber Ducky, they're USB devices that you can plug into a computer and they act as like an external keyboard. But the cool thing is you can actually load scripts onto it, which it will type out as that external keyboard. And because computers trust keyboards by default, that's what makes this little guy pretty dangerous. He can type out an entire script in milliseconds, way faster than you had time to react. Or you happen to go to the bathroom and you just left your computer unlocked, and someone could walk by, plug this guy in, and create a backdoor into your system within seconds. These devices are used in cybersecurity training, red teaming, and demonstrations to show how dangerous physical access can actually be. The commercial ones are powerful, but I wanted to build my own with a Pi Zero. Check it out. Boy, pretty slick. So here's how it works at a high level. The Pi Zero can run in USB gadget mode. That way it can tell the computer, hey, I'm a keyboard when it's plugged in. And once it's recognized by the system, it runs a script that types out whatever commands you want. It can open Notepad, run PowerShell, or literally do anything you want on the system. All right, let me show you how this works in action. As you saw before in the video, this payload opens up Notepad and then writes a little message for you. This second payload opens up PowerShell and runs system info. And just for fun, I made a payload that opens up my YouTube channel and prompts you to subscribe. So after building this, it gave me a real appreciation for how fast a physical attack can happen. I mean, obviously, physical attacks are less likely than, attacks happening like phishing attacks or whatever happening on the internet, but they're still very possible. Someone could social engineer themselves into a building with just like a ladder. There's an old saying, like, if you have a ladder, they'll let you in anywhere. Say someone comes into your business, has a ladder, says, hey, I'm going to work on a closet. They walk in to your office, notice you go to the bathroom without locking your locking your computer, and then they're in. And that might be the only access they need to completely compromise the whole organization. Maybe they set up ransomware. I don't know. That's why it's always important to lock your workstations and never put a untrusted USB device into your system. So yeah, that's my $15 Ducky Pi. If you like the video, if you want to see more cybersecurity content, drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe for more. I almost forgot to mention, if you want to build a Ducky Pi just like this one, I'm going to leave a link to my GitHub down below that includes the setup scripts and some instructions to help you get started. God bless and see you later.